Hi friends! Today I'll show you my morning power yoga practice. Sit in a comfortable position. First, warm up your neck and shoulders. Stretch your arms up and do short exhalation with your stomach through your nose. Clear your airways. Stretch the side of your body. Breathe into your ribs. We warm up the neck, shoulder blades, and shoulder joints, and remember to breathe. Now let's add some straightening to the hips for joint health. Now we move on to the spine. Bends with a rounded back, and my favorite pose is the downward facing dog. This exercise gives health to the entire back. Don't forget about abs, and let's add some side twists. Do it dynamically. Breathe during exercise and do not hold your breath. And of course, any of my glute exercise. Rise each leg alternately as high as you can. Now, from the plank position, Add some core work with an exhale during the twist. And remember to breathe during the exercise. A little more core work. This exercise is called cat and cow. And circular rotation. Now go into child pose. Now I like to add some more stretching after my straight training to loosen things up a bit. You can repeat this exercise several times in a circle, as many times as you feel comfortable. I do this 3 or 4 times until my body is completely warmed up, and then I enjoy swimming in the sea. It gives me a feeling of energy for the whole day.